Guys, so we're doing the KYX Nerf bar installation. This is for a 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 quad cab. Okay, so like this. Okay, we've already got these. So this is a bolt which takes a hex. You can use like such to tighten it, but it's basically just 2 bolts, 2 washers, a little rectangular bracket piece, 2 more washers, spring washer, nut. Okay, and that fits up like this. All right, so next step is take one of these. You can see it has a threaded female and male. We gotta get it up in here. Good, so so I had to fish it out a little bit. It's okay if it falls down. I kind of just had to get in there with a screwdriver in my fingers. It's kind of just will fall right in that if you lose grip on it. I wasn't trying to, but that happens. It's not exactly easy. Washer, compression washer. Nut. All right, now can I get that on there enough that it'll hold it? Then bolt, compression washer, flat washer, and then kind of want to get behind it. Got to be able to get that. This has to move a little bit. Then you can feel it coming through. Feel it from the backside. Alright, let's get that finger tight. So you're still gonna need to be able to move a little bit. Alright. Okay, so the passenger side front is mounted. Okay, so alright, we're gonna try to put the bar on, line it up. So I'm just gonna get underneath it. Alright, so spring washer, flat washer. Line them up on the bottom. spring washer, flat washer. Number 13. Leave it somewhat loose. Onto the middle one. Pump. Still loose. So we're gonna go to the passenger front of the vehicle. Here we go for the passenger front. And then I'll go back and tighten them up real good. All right, so just finishing tightening these up. And there's the final look.